If you live in the UK, please take note of this. On the 7th of September, the government is going to test the emergency alert system. What does this mean and what do you need to know? Every mobile phone in the UK will receive an emergency alert. During the test, approximately 87 million mobile devices will ring for about 10 seconds, even if it is on silent. Right. So this system was first tested in April 2023, but the government has said, some users reported not getting it, and that is the reason for the retest. This is an emergency system to notify people in real emergency. So please, on the 7th of September, the exact time will be made known, which I will update as well. So please do not panic. It's only a test. All right. Thank you.